Welcome to the first edition of Maryam Abacha University Food Festival. If you know you're excited, can I hear you make some noise?
The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has organized a magnificent food festival on Sunday, featuring the best of local and foreign dishes, homemade pastries, music, dances as part of an effort to promote food culture and socialization among the students. The festival, which is the first of its kind ever conducted in any university nationwide, was single-handedly organized by MAAUN Students Foundation under the supervision of Campus Life Unit of the university. During the occasion, a variety of foods were prepared and sold to invited guests, while beverages were carefully chosen to pair with the different dishes offered. The event was attended by no fewer than 1,000 people, including the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Head Corporate Communications and Protocol Unit Engineer Bashir Garba, other members of staff, students, parents, family, and friends, as well as other students from different universities across the country. In his remarks, the Vice President Campus Life, Dr. Hamza Garba, who stressed the importance of the festival, said it provides the avenue for cooking demonstration, which gives the students and other attendees the opportunity to learn how to prepare some dishes. Hamza noted that MAAUN is a university that welcomes innovation and encourages student-centered learning, while the students will learn to cook their favorite culinary and enjoy a range of entertaining activities in a relaxed environment.
This is a unique program organized by the Student Foundation of this great institution and supported by Campus Life Division of this prestigious university in order to ensure student-centered learning as indicated in American university worldwide.
He thanked the founder and chairman and governing council of the university, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, for the painstaking support for his relentless effort to making MAAUN not only an institution of learning, but a breeding ground for future world leaders. In an interview, the president of MAAUN Students Foundation, Mr. Abdurrahman Ibrahim Mashika, said the program was initiated as part of effort to raise funds which will be channeled to charity and other humanitarian activities. According to him, the foundation has been offering philanthropic services, saying it had recently distributed writing materials to over 300 students of the university. Mashika, who is a student from Software Engineering Department, expressed immense gratitude to Professor Gorzo, Professor Israr, and the entire university management for their support and encouragement to ensuring the success of the program. Speaking shortly after the festival, the chief consultant of MAAUN Cafeteria, Mr. Boris, described the event as an amazing one, saying it provided a serene atmosphere for the display and marketing of food dishes. Other highlights of the event include artistic drawing of Professor Gorzo,
Ladies and gentlemen,
musical performances, among others.
Money on my mind.
DJ User.
Zaniya zama shetu ake, ni ba kuɗi ba ba mulki ba sarauta.
DJ User.